Welcome to today's Echelon Experience, your daily source headline news. This is Kimberly Lee with your update for today. Former President Bill Clinton did not appear on Tuesday for his scheduled deposition before the House Oversight Committee. Hillary Clinton, the former Secretary of State, is scheduled to appear today, though it remains to be seen whether she will comply. The House Oversight Committee has escalated its investigation into Jeffrey Epstein, threatening the former president and his wife with contempt of Congress if they fail to appear. Bill Clinton had previously offered to submit a written statement. However, Comer insisted in-person testimony from the Clintons was necessary. In a December 14th report, Breitbart News outlined the Clintons' ongoing resistance, noting they had declined multiple offers to schedule live testimony and instead offered sworn written statements. Hillary Clinton has stated she had no personal knowledge of Epstein or Maxwell's criminal activities, while Bill Clinton said he had not spoken to Epstein in more than 20 years. With Monday's no-show, contempt proceedings are set to begin next week, and attention now turns to whether Hillary Clinton will appear as scheduled today. And that will do it for today's Echelon Experience. Join us on the Montaga podcast for more, every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Rumble. See you then.